Hello guys, in this video I want to demonstrate you a package, migrations generator, that would generate migration files, Laravel migrations from existing database. I remember using that years ago and there's even a video about that on this channel, but I recently had a case of using that again, so I want to demonstrate you that with practical example. So imagine you have a schema in SQL. For example, I was browsing Upwork for ideas for projects, and one of the project contains just SQL data, create table syntax, or it could be just SQL file to import. So I have imported that into a database, and I will do that in live mode in a minute. And I deliberately deleted all the migration records, so there is no migration in my Laravel project. Here's the project, so migrations folder is empty. And let's try it together. So 5 create table statements, run all, and now we have 5 database tables. And now let's try to generate migrations from them. So to install the package is just compose require, and then all you need to do is PHP artisan migrate generate. That's it. Of course, there are some configurations and parameters possible, but by default you just copy that command. And if you go to PHP Storm, see migrations folder is empty. We run that. Generating migrations, it asks if you want to log those migrations immediately, no, and finished. And see, it generated quite a few migrations. Oh, and we don't even need to hit any refresh in PHP Storm, we have the migrations here. With up method, with all the fields, index, and stuff like that. And also separately, it generates foreign keys, because otherwise probably if it does it in the same migration files, it would probably break by referencing the table that doesn't exist yet. So foreign keys are separate. Now let's test the migrations in action. I will manually delete all the tables again. So here we are again with only migrations table, which is empty, and now we run PHP artisan migrate from existing generated migrations. Artisan migrate. All successful, no errors, and if we refresh now, we do have migrations here executed, and we have the same tables created from migrations. The real usage of this package really depends on your use case, on your scenario, and individual status of your project. But if you do want to have migrations from existing SQL file or existing database, this is one of the ways. Just browse around all the options and documentation. Have you used this package? Then share your story in the comments below, or do you know any alternatives? Let's also discuss in the comments. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.